Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I made this file earlier this morning and the young lady asked if she could have the file. I actually sent her two. So I thought I'd give her a little bit. She's kind of new to Corel and she's going to print on a t-shirt. And I'm a laser engraver and I work with RGB colors. And if she's a printer, she might want to work with CMYK colors. So we're going to go to Windows, Palettes, and palettes. It'll come up with now we're going to open up a CMYK palette. So the CMYK, as you can see, is on this side. So this line, I'm going to go ahead and ungroup everything. This line, if you can see, is an RGB line. It's actually a fill. So if she wants it to be a CMYK file, if you will just left click your mouse, and now it is a CMYK red. Also, same in any color. If you want it to be a little bit lighter, you can hold down the control button and add a little white or yellow or anything and make it brighter or dimmer. I suggest just going with your true colors. And also, then I started thinking about if she's going to print on a t-shirt, I'm going to group it back together. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, which really doesn't matter in this case. But because this is an outline, it should shrink and be the same dimension. So that's about as big as you could ever put on a t-shirt, I would think, if that big at all. So that's not going to be a factor. But this one here is probably actually an outline or a line, and you can see the line got thinner, or at least it got thinner looking. So if your box is a line, you pretty much need to do this. You need to click on it and double click on go right here to scale with object. Say, okay. Now, when we make it bigger, the line is going to get progressively bigger also. Because if you made it real little, that's a real little bitty thin line. It's in proportion, it's the same. But when you make it bigger, the line's going to get proportionally bigger. I hope that helped her a little bit, and thank you for watching.